You've tried everything. Over-the-counter creams, doctor-prescribed antifungals like fluconazole, ketoconazole, itraconazole, even raw itraconazole. But the infection keeps finding its way back, stronger and more stubborn each time. If that sounds familiar, this might just be the most important video you watch today. Before we dive in, tell me, where are you watching from and what time is it right now? Drop it in the comments below. I love seeing how far this message reaches and connecting with all of you around the world. And hey, while you're here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip that could change your life naturally. Let's talk about something that affects millions of people silently every day: Candida overgrowth. It sounds like something small, but it can have a huge impact on your daily life. Fatigue, brain fog, digestive issues, and those chronic, stubborn yeast infections. So what's the real deal with Candida? Candida is a type of yeast that naturally lives in your body, in places like your mouth, gut, and even your skin. It's normal. But under certain conditions, it can grow out of control, becoming a true nightmare. This overgrowth is what we call candidiasis. So what triggers this monster? A weakened immune system, antibiotic use, high sugar or high carb diets, hormonal imbalances, chronic stress, poor gut health. Once it starts multiplying, it can cause itching, burning, strange discharges, and in extreme cases, it can spread to your bloodstream and cause systemic infections. And here's the frustrating part: Candida is evolving. Many strains have become resistant to traditional medications. That's why today, I want to introduce you to two natural antifungals that have helped countless people when everything else failed: Caprylic Acid and Pau. Let's start with caprylic acid. It's a natural fatty acid found in coconut oil and palm oil. But don't let the fat part fool you. It's a powerful yeast destroyer. Caprylic acid works by breaking down the lipid membrane of Candida cells. Basically, it punches holes in the yeast's outer wall, leading to its destruction. On top of that, it reduces inflammation, which means less itching and discomfort. You can take it as a supplement, usually between 500 to 1,000 milligrams, 2 to 3 times a day with meals. Pro tip: start small. A sudden die-off of Candida can release toxins into your body, which may make you feel worse before you feel better. The second weapon in your natural arsenal is Pau, a bark from a tree in the Amazon rainforest, used for centuries by indigenous healers. Pau contains naphthoquinones, compounds with strong antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. It works differently from caprylic acid. Instead of destroying yeast cells outright, Pau inhibits their growth and gives your immune system the support it needs to stay in control. You can drink it as a tea or take it in capsules or tincture form. For tea, steep 1 teaspoon of Pau bark in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes and drink it 2 to 3 times per day. Capsules usually follow the same dosage as caprylic acid, 500 to 1,000 milligrams, a few times daily. Now here's the real magic. When you combine caprylic acid and Pau, they synergize. One destroys the yeast's walls, the other blocks their regrowth while boosting your immune defense. This combo has helped countless people finally break free from the cycle of recurring infections. But that's only one piece of the puzzle. Let's talk about your diet. Candida loves sugar. It's like gasoline on a fire. If you're eating a diet high in sugar, white bread, pasta, pastries, you're giving Candida everything it needs to thrive. Here's what you should focus on instead: non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens, zucchini, broccoli, lean proteins, think chicken, turkey, eggs, healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and yes, coconut oil. Avoid alcohol, refined carbs, and anything with added sugar. Think of food as either fuel for your body or food for the yeast. Choose wisely. Next up, probiotics. Probiotics are the good guys. Beneficial bacteria that live in your gut and keep yeast in check. Antibiotics, poor diet, and stress wipe them out, giving Candida a free pass to multiply. Look for a high-quality probiotic supplement with at least 10 to 20 billion CFUs and include strains like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. You can also eat fermented foods: yogurt, unsweetened, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso. Make this a daily habit, and your gut will thank you. Let's talk garlic. It's not just for vampires, it's deadly for Candida. Garlic contains allicin, a potent antifungal. Add crushed raw garlic to your meals for an added boost. Coconut oil is another winner. It naturally contains caprylic acid. Try taking a spoonful a day or use it in your cooking. Simple. Effective. Natural. Now what about vitamins and minerals? Vitamin C is a must. Try to get at least 1,000 milligrams per day from fruits like oranges, strawberries, and leafy greens, or a high-quality supplement. Zinc is another heavy hitter for your immune system. Aim for 30 to 50 milligrams per day from foods like oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds, or take it as a supplement. Let's not forget about lifestyle habits. Candida loves moist, warm environments, so keep affected areas dry. Avoid staying in wet workout clothes or swimsuits. Wear breathable cotton fabrics. Manage your stress. Chronic stress lowers immunity, which opens the door for Candida to take over. Try yoga, meditation, or even just a few deep breaths throughout the day. And drink water. Lots of it. Water helps flush toxins from your system and supports overall healing. Now, if you've made it this far, bravo. You're serious about healing naturally. Here's a quick recap of your Candida-fighting toolkit. Cut sugar and refined carbs. Eat clean. Vegetables, proteins, healthy fats. Caprylic acid plus Pau Darko combo. Daily probiotics. Garlic and coconut oil. Vitamin C and zinc. Keep it clean and dry. Stress management. Stay hydrated. Healing from Candida overgrowth is not a one-day fix, but it is possible. And the more consistently you follow these steps, the sooner you'll feel relief. Leave a comment below and tell me where you're watching from and the current time there. I'd love to know how far this information is reaching and who's on this journey with me. And remember, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this with someone who's been silently struggling. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.